Use this and people will start complimenting you if you lost weight on your face. This is Gua sha. You must have seen it all across social media and in beauty stores. But do you really know how to use this for a specific purpose to make your face look lighter by getting rid of the fluid in your face? When used in the way that I'm about to show you, you will learn to stroke and push toxins and extra water away from your face. So what Gua sha really does is it gets rid of the fluid in your face. Stay tuned because a little later in today's video, I will give you the reasons that are responsible for this fluid retention in the first place. And then I'll share some other preventative remedies too. Let's begin. Watch this whole video and keep listening because I will give you added advantages and break some myths about Gua sha benefits. Save this video and follow along complete Gua sha routine with me because it can help improve circulation in your face. It can reduce wrinkles and drain out lymphatic fluid that's weighing your face down. This also stimulates collagen production in your face. So first, use a product that supports smooth gliding of Gua sha, such as a face oil or a moisturizer that glides smoothly. Don't hold Gua sha perpendicular to your skin. Tilt and flatten it against your skin. This is one of the most commonly seen mistakes using Gua sha. Now let's talk about the pressure. The pressure varies depending on the facial fat and thickness of your skin. Wrong technique or too much pressure in motion can break those tiny capillaries under your skin. This is something that I can guide you only during our one-on-one face training sessions. For now, just keep the pressure light to medium. Scrape and stroke your skin only in upward or outward directions for upward lift in your face. Start from neck and then move upward. The upward strokes are anti-aging and the strokes from earlobe towards your collarbone are for lymphatic drainage. After neck, move on to your chin. Begin at your chin and sweep your tool up towards your jawline and towards your ear. And from here, move behind your earlobe, move the tool behind your earlobe and then down towards your neck. Use gentle feather-like strokes in an upward motion to stimulate lymph nodes. This starts to improve drainage. It's important that you follow your face's curves. Follow the natural curves of your face, such as along the cheekbones to direct fluid towards your neck and then towards your heart. Notice I'm not going very fast or adding too much pressure. Again, I'm insisting upon light pressure. Pushing too hard can close down your lymphatic vessels. Notice how I wiggle or massage differently in shorter strokes in areas of deeper fold, such as nasolabial fold or even the area between your brows. Skipping the delicate area around my eyes, I'm going over eyebrows to release the tension and fluid and to get that brow lift. Wiggle over the 11 wrinkles. Whatever area you're working on, repeat each movement about 3 to 5 times before moving on to the next area. You can add a small wiggle at the end of each pass to help push lymph out. Since Gua sha can improve lymphatic drainage, it can reduce puffiness in your face, but it does not remove facial fat around your jawlines or cheekbones. If that's what you're watching all across TikTok and Instagram, then that's setting a wrong expectation. But expect your face to completely transform because it helps release tension. Releasing tightened facial muscles during certain movements may also change your facial appearance. And why not? You're stimulating collagen production, which is going to plump your skin out. So in the long run, you see less wrinkles on your face because your skin plumps out. With toxins gone and improved blood circulation, expect your skin to look clear, more even-toned, less discoloration and brightened. If that isn't promising, what is? Now let's talk about the reasons for fluid retention in your face. The water retention usually happens when you have high amount of sodium or sugar or caffeine and low amount of water in your body. This kind of heaviness in your face is very different from face fat because face fat cannot come in a day or two. It takes a long process. You can very easily take care of water retention in your face by decreasing the amount of sodium, sugar and your caffeine intake and increasing the amount of water that you drink. You can take care of water retention by decreasing the amount of sodium, sugar, caffeine intake, and increasing the amount of water you take, and also by changing your sleep position. Laying face down causes fluid to rest and collect in your face. Once you fall asleep with your face down, you have no control of how this can expedite multiple reasons of facial aging. Sleep wrinkle for one. Take a look at some of these images on how sleep wrinkles look very different and form asymmetrically, either vertically or diagonally around your forehead, around your eyes, and other areas of your face. Resting all your weight on one side also causes loss of collagen in that side of the face, which again causes facial asymmetry. Lash fall and scanty eyebrows. About 6 years ago is when I trained myself to sleep on my back with the help of Sleep and Glow's Omnia pillow. This is their Omnia model. This Omnia model is designed to train you to sleep on your back. You will notice it has an indent right in the center. So the moment you lay down, it catches your head right in the center and does not let you turn to the sides as easily as you would on your other pillows. That's not it. Now let's say even if you turn to your sides, notice these cradles here? Your face falls into these cradles on both the sides. Now notice if you're someone who's used to sleeping facing down, even then your face does not squish because the side cradles and the 3D design of this pillow, the memory foam, does not let that happen. So along with the design, also notice their silk pillowcases. They have some of the best skin cooling silk pillowcases. So you can say goodbye to sweating on your face and neck, especially with their new Moonfern Mulberry silk pillowcase. It does not absorb your face creams and it helps prevent your hair breakage and tangling. It also maintains lower temperature, which has beneficial skin effects for your skin. I don't want you to take sleeping facing down lightly because what might start as squishing between your face and pillow can soon become deformation that lasts for a few hours every night, creating those creases and fluid retention in your face. Now with time, these creases that you notice in the morning, which initially seem like temporary, can become permanent. These sleep wrinkles are more difficult to correct, and using fillers, Botox, or expensive creams can only conceal the problem temporarily. Omnia pillow has been my one-time investment for preventing and reversing my facial asymmetry that was caused due to puffiness and sleep wrinkles on the left side of my face. It is their birthday, so I'm happy to offer you a special promo code with a 15% discount on everything from Sleep and Glow. You know that Sleep and Glow very rarely offers discounts, so now is the time to shop. Again, this is what my promo code looks like. Use it, you will love it. They also offer a 30-night sleep trial or money-back guarantee. Here's another reason for you to try it today. It comes with 3-year warranty and Pillow's life is expected to be around 5 years. I do have Sleep and Glow's new pillow, but I love showing off my old pillow. This is the one that has lasted me over 5 years now. Just to prove to you that this is a one-time investment in your skincare and in your sleep posture. I always reach out to Sleep and Glow to sponsor videos like today's, because if you are looking to reduce your facial puffiness and bring more symmetry and youthful appearance to your face, then you definitely need to be introduced to products that can give you long-term results. The good news is, even after their birthday sale is over, you can use my promo code to get additional discount on their prices. Thank you Sleep and Glow for sponsoring today's video. Now let's come back to water retention and other remedies. So you heard it right, you can fight water retention by drinking plenty of water. Our bodies are amazing. When we have sodium or caffeine, which are generally known as dehydrants, they absorb water from our bodies. So your body goes in thirst mode and it adapts by conserving water and storing it. And where do you start noticing the stored water? All around your face and your hands, in your feet. So you can counteract by drinking plenty of water, vegetables and fruits that are rich in water. Now the treatment of Gua sha consumes body fluids and heat. So make sure you drink moderate amount of water and rest for at least an hour or so after you finish your Gua sha routine. Also avoid cold showers for up to 2 hours following the completion of Gua sha therapy. This helps prevent wind from entering your body through dilated pores. If you find value in the knowledge that I share about your self-improvement, in your self-care, then make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and make sure to save this video to your self-care playlist so you can perform the right Gua sha techniques during your evening skincare routine. I'll link a few other videos up here and down in the description that are all related to today's topic. But if you need customized help in toning your facial muscles and reworking with your facial shape that could be changing with age, then customized face yoga routines can truly help transform your face. I will link my other programs and packages in the description below, so reach out, fill out a form on my website if you want to work with me one-on-one. And if you're not yet ready for a one-on-one consultation, definitely check out my 21-day face mastery face yoga program that can help you work with your full face muscles and achieve better results with whatever skincare products you own right now. For shorter pieces of content, I do have my other social media handles. Make sure to follow me everywhere. My 3-in-1 masterclass is a must check out because it gives you more in-depth knowledge about Gua sha, Kansa wand and honey face tapping. Comment and let me know what your experience was after you try my Gua sha techniques. I will see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.